So you've become adept at the Crossbeams modeler. Here I'm going to show you some advanced techniques. I've started out with a quarter of a fuselage. I can go to the top view. Then there's a box select. I can hit B as in box. Then hold down on my left mouse button at the upper left corner, drag to the lower right corner, and release. All the pieces in that box are selected. Now I can do a duplicate. Shift D. It's like a copy. Drag my mouse to where I want the new pieces and hit left mouse button. Now this isn't quite right because I want this fuselage to continue in a circular pattern. I can hit R for rotate. R rotates the selected pieces. It starts at a fulcrum here. Straight out is 0 degrees, up is 90, left is 180, down is 270 degrees. I want the 90-degree rotation. I left click, it's done. I can hit G for grab. The selected pieces are moved. I hit the left mouse button again to end it. Now I have half of my fuselage done. I hit A to unselect everything. Once again we'll hit B for box select. Release the mouse button, everything's selected. I hit Shift D for duplicate. Drag over, left mouse button to end. This isn't quite right still. Here, instead of rotating, which would work, I'm going to show you another option. I can mirror. Control M mirrors around the mouse point. I go up or down to get the mirror the way I want it. Here we'll go up. I left click to accept the mirror, and I'm going to mirror one more time. Control M. Now we'll mirror left. The pieces aren't quite connected. I hit G to drag the select pieces over. When they're in the right place, I hit the left button again, and this fuselage is done. Well, at least a section. Let's add some more sections. We'll go to a front view. B for box select. Release the mouse button, everything's selected. Shift D for duplicate. Drag left mouse button to end the duplicate. Let's pan higher and do it again. Shift D for duplicate, drag. When I'm there, left mouse button, ended. Let's do it one more time. Pan up, Shift D to duplicate, drag my mouse to the right place, left click to accept. Now let's add some fins to this rocket. I'll go to a side view. We'll change these joints. Okay, we're ready for some fins. If I like it, once again, I can duplicate and rotate. Duplicate, Shift D, R to rotate, G to grab and place. If I like both of these, I can box select more, Shift duplicate, R to rotate, G to grab, left click to end. There we go. The rocket has some fins. Now let's put a nose on the top. If at any time during my editing I don't like what I do, I can hit Control Z to undo the last move, or Control Y to redo it. There we go, the finished rocket.